Don't download MarketWatch Portfolio app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the MarketWatch Portfolio app, hold on. Most people think it's just a portfolio tracker, but here's the surprising truth. It's not a full-service investing platform, and relying on it alone could lead to mistakes. MarketWatch Portfolio app allows you to track your stocks, ETFs, and other investments in real time. You can manually input holdings, see price movements, and monitor gains or losses. Sounds perfect, but there are some limitations that most users overlook. The biggest issue is that the app does actually execute trades. You can monitor your portfolio, but you need a separate broker to buy or sell assets. For beginners, this can create confusion or double management if you're trying to keep everything in one place. Another limitation is manual entry. While you can link some accounts, many users need to input trades manually. This opens the door to errors, which can distort your portfolio's real performance. MarketWatch Portfolio app also lacks advanced tools like tax reporting, dividend tracking, or risk analytics. For serious investors who want to understand their portfolio's exposure or forecast future performance, this app falls short. The app does offer some positives: a clean interface, real-time news, and alerts for price movements. It's great for monitoring and staying informed, especially if you already have a brokerage account. In conclusion, don't download MarketWatch Portfolio app if you expect a full investing solution or automated account tracking. It's best used as a companion tool for monitoring investments, not managing them. Understanding its limitations ensures you won't rely on it for tasks it wasn't built to handle, saving you both time and potential mistakes.